Yes, PayPal is not officially in Ghana, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use it. Here's how. Before we start, let's look at the people who want to use this kind of service. First, people who send money to their friends and family online. Let's say you want to send money to somebody in the United States who only accepts PayPal. Secondly, people who pay for online goods and services to be shipped to them in Ghana, and the vendors who only accept PayPal. Thirdly, if you pay for digital products like themes, plugins, etc. like myself, you will love this service. So here's how the service works. First of all, go to this website. I'll put it in the description for you to check it out. Fill the form that asks you to request for PayPal service. When you are done filling the form, just hit submit, and then you'll be taken to their WhatsApp business page for you to start the conversation. What they require from you is to state the service you want in terms of whether you want to send money to someone, pay for a service, even pay for school fees. And then you will now be given a number to make payment to. Mind you, you have to always send them the payment first via mobile or bank transfer. They will make the payment on your behalf and then give you proof of payment, either in the form of a screenshot or a receipt. Once you get that, you'll be able to confirm with the person or the business that you have actually made the payment. Now, this is very simple because it means that if you don't have your PayPal account in Ghana, you can use them as a proxy, right? Where you can just make a request and then they will pay or make the transaction on your behalf. It's as simple as that. This is not sponsored, but I use it myself for about 2 years now and they are very trusted. Again, I'll put a link to their service in the description below for you to see how the service works. Let me know how it goes. Leave a comment below if it works for you or not. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Cheers.